What's up? Welcome back. This is a pattern I'm gonna sew up today, and it's by Simplicity. It's old. It's from the early 90s. It's from David Howard's Climax collection. It's this really pretty like halter with a T-strap back. So I'm gonna sew this up today, but I'm gonna make some modifications to it, and I'll show you what I mean. So here for the T-strap, I'm not gonna do the two straps to the side. I'm just gonna have just one single strap down the back. And I'm also using stretch lycra. And it's actually the scuba, so it's a little thicker, so I'm gonna have to kind of improvise here to make this work out. But again, that's what we're doing. I don't know, I cut the pattern out for the long dress. I could chop it and make it short, but just to recap, we're not gonna do these two side straps. I'm just gonna do the single. If I really feel like I need to put these two in, I guess I'll do it, but I'm gonna try to not incorporate those two side straps. So these are the instructions I'm gonna glance at and help guide me. So a lot of these type of patterns, they ask you to have a lining, but again, we're using this thick fabric, so I'm not going to use a lining. I'm just going to use the fabric and hopefully give it a shot without having to do a liner. It should be fine. So I already cut out my two back pieces. This is the back pattern for the back of the dress, and you cut two out and sew them together. Okay, I got the two back pieces pinned together. I need to load my sewing machine up and we'll sew this up. This is the back of the dress. So we're going to start on the front. So this is what the front of the dress entails. It's got center front and side front pieces. So I'm going to get those out and put them together. Okay, these are my two side front pieces, and this is my center front piece, and it's cut on the fold. So let's lay these out. Okay, I got the one center front and side front pinned together. And this is the curve here that we gotta be very mindful of. So let's get that finished. Okay, I sewed this side front down, and now I pinned this one. Now we're gonna sew that. Okay, so I got the front and back dress pieces facing each other, and I'm going to go ahead and sew the first side down since I've already got that pinned. So this is like halfway done. Okay, we sewed the front and the back together. This is it kind of like sloppily laid out. And now I need to finish these raw edges. So this is the back of the dress, and this is the front neckline. So what I need to do is attach the back strip, which is right here. This is the pattern for it. So that attaches to the neck loop. And I already cut out the pieces for it, and it's cut too, so I'm gonna sew these together. Just to recap, this is the back strap, so I just need to sew down these two edges. So this is the back strap. I turned it inside out. It's very bulky, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that, but let's finish hemming the dress at least, and you know, sewing up those raw edges. Okay, I am done with it. This is the back of the dress. I added the neck, the neck thing, and I went ahead and hemmed the bottom because it was super long. Here's the front of the dress, and I added a little snap here to close it up, and I did, so there was that back strap that I was gonna have loop up to here. It is somewhere. I put it in my scrap pile. I removed it because it looked really bulky, because this is scuba lycra and it's already really thick and bulky. It looked awful. So this is the dress, and it does fit a little big, but I'll put it on and you can see what it looks like.